Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after these messages. Who is on MeTV Toons?
Guess who?
That's the Woody Woodpecker song.
The Woody Woodpecker Show. Today at 4, 3 Central on MeTV Toons. Welcome to Cartoon College. Today's subject is a Looney Tunes in outer space pop quiz. Okay, students, get out your pencils. Here's today's question. Which of these Looney Tunes characters has never been to outer space? A, Bugs Bunny, B, Porky Pig, C, Yosemite Sam, or D, Tweety? Time's up. The correct answer is D. Tweety has never left Earth. Bugs has made several extraterrestrial trips to overcome Marvin the Martian.
Get me out of here!
And Daffy has been in space as Duck Dodgers, a spoof of sci-fi hero Buck Rogers. Yosemite Sam was an outer space villain in Lighter Than Hair. And even Porky Pig took to the heavens in Jumpin' Jupiter, along with Sylvester.
I thought I implied that you were to remain outside. Oh, this is what's troubling you, eh? If a shame.
Class dismissed. Feel free to take off. Looney Tunes and more are on MeTV Toons. We're back with more cartoon fun, continuing now.